In this tutorial, we will see that how you can find the name of a song on YouTube Shorts in just few steps. So let's dive right in. So to find the name of the song, you need one app, that is Shazam. Open Play Store or App Store and download this app, Shazam Find Music and Concerts. After downloading it, you can simply open it. It will start setting up. You can allow this, and now if you tap on this Shazam and select while using this app, it will start listening for music. Now simply minimize it from here and open your YouTube. After opening this, if you come to the short section and play this music. So now from this YouTube Shorts, if I open my notification bar, here is notification from Shazam with the name of a song. Simply click on that and it will take you here where it will show you this song name, which you can simply search for YouTube and listen it. So that's how you can find the name of a song on YouTube Shorts in just few steps.